Is your Android phone feeling sluggish, battery draining faster than you can say apocalypse? You might have background apps secretly hogging resources, and today, I'll show you how to expose those resource-hungry culprits. First, unlock your Android device and navigate to your settings app. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Scroll down and find the option called About Phone or About Device, and tap on it. The name might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer. Now, within the About Phone menu, look for software information and tap on it. Next, you'll need to find build number. This is the secret key to unlocking developer options. Tap on build number rapidly. 7 times in a row you'll see a message pop up saying you are now a developer. Or something similar. If you have a password or PIN set up on your phone, you may need to enter it at this point. Now, go back to the main settings menu. You should now see a new option called Developer Options. It might be at the very bottom. Tap on Developer Options, then scroll down until you find Running Services. Tap on Running Services. Here it is. This screen displays a list of all the apps and processes currently active on your device, including those running in the background. You can tap on an individual app to see more details about its memory usage. In some cases, you can even choose to stop the app to free up resources. Be careful stopping system processes though, as it may impact functionality. You can also manage background apps by simply swiping them away from your recent app screen. This won't stop all background activity but can help minimize resource usage. And that's it. Now you know how to see which apps are running in the background on your Android device, helping you optimize performance and extend your battery life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.